Aaron Brackett is with us now. And Aaron, it has just been a super busy weather week. And yesterday, especially, we had tornadoes. Today, you were telling me during the break, we just had a 96 mile per hour wind gust through Enid.
Yeah, that's in Breckenridge. So the Mesonet site just off to the east of it. That just happened. Reports of a semi blown off of Highway 412, which we're going to go check out here for later broadcasts. And yesterday in the Panhandle, west of what we're about to talk about, there was a gust to 101 on the Mesonet. Wow.
Yes. And this is video of this giant tornado that we saw. I mean, I call it giant. I don't know what the rating's been. Have they said
There's
yet?
There's been no rating yet. It was thankfully over a lot of open range.
Yes.
So that's good.
Very large, I should say. Tornado that hit Beaver, went through, slap out parts of the rural areas out there. So no reports of any injuries that we've heard of, which is awesome.
Yeah. That's really great. And it was kind of up and down south of Beaver to slap out for about 30 minutes or so, kind of up and down. We were tracking it live on K4 with our trackers that were out there. And today we're also concerned about severe weather. The tornado chance is not zero, but it is low. This is a look right now live from Mark Dillard's stream. He's near Garber right now, which is kind of on the northern side of the storm he's on, is where the large wind gust was just recorded. And you can see the clouds are pretty low to the surface right there. It's mostly outflow dominant right now, which is where that gust came from, but that's the same as a weak tornado for sure. And as these get organized next couple hours, they might try to take a dip down off to the south. So we'll go ahead and look at the severe thunderstorm watch first. So here it is. It goes until 1 o'clock in the morning, covering north central and northwestern Oklahoma. Notice how the North Metro is in it, but Oklahoma City itself, Oklahoma County, Canadian County, not in the watch right now. And as you look at the storms, they're moving off to the north. There's been some new development, as you saw, right? Well, new severe thunderstorm warning just popped up in far northeastern parts of Blaine County and northwestern Kingfisher County. So that storm is coming up pretty quickly. So here's the cluster of storms: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 warning polygons. So we got a lot of storm activity happening in northern parts of the state. There's flooding happening here, too. That's the green polygon. So the storm now is just off to the east and south of Garber. It's near Covington. Highway 74 is a mess right now. And you can see the damage reports right there. So some of those little signals right there near Fairmont, that's for the semi that was blown over in the 96 mile per hour wind gust at the Mesonet station there just a few minutes ago. So the hail core is now east of 74, east of Covington. There's Lamont. And then in northwestern Oklahoma, right over Avard, heads up Alva, severe thunderstorm heading your way, and then also in Harper County, north of Fort Supply, that storm is moving north. Not a ton of wind with this. There's a little downburst signature near Avard approaching Alva, so look out for winds to 70 there, and also some hail. So you can see Harper County off to the left and Alva to the right-hand side of your screen, some large hail there. And then these storms are really coming up fast. So Canton Lake, it's just on the west side of the lake up there. That's going to just brush by Sealing, and then Hitchcock and Loyal. That storm is growing in intensity as it continues moving off toward the north and east. And then this one, this is in far eastern portions of the Texas Panhandle. That's going to graze southwestern Oklahoma for now. That storm is weakening way out to the west. So we continue to watch all this activity along with that severe thunderstorm warning that does go until 1 o'clock in the morning. So take a look at the 7-day forecast here for you. We're going to be on top of this. Our trackers are out. We'll be on top of it all evening long. So severe thunderstorms for tonight, 94 degrees tomorrow, 96 Sunday. We are high and dry pretty much all week long. We do introduce some scattered thunderstorm chances and isolated storm chances as we look toward the 4th of July, which amazingly is only a week from tomorrow. And notice how every single day we stick with those 90s on the 7-day forecast. We'll have another look at your radar here coming up.
All right. And we appreciate it, Aaron. Thank you.